We're on the search for the world's biggest dog park.
And I'm told it might be right around the corner.
Let's bring in the experts to investigate.
From the moment we arrived, they couldn't wait to go inside.
We enter the Blue Squirrel Field to a warm welcome.
But Willow can't wait to do her favorite thing.
Coconut. Release the hound.
Run!
Hey. Can't record me while I'm recording you.
Don't record me while I'm recording you.
But,
Hey,
hey! You can't record us while we're recording you.
I'm gone.
Why aren't you recording?
The field was huge. It even had a fenced-in area for those less adventurous, and obstacles everywhere.
You can do it, Ginger. Ginger, come on up. You can do it. Come. No, come. Yeah. Ginger.
Willow, come on. Go on.
No, that's not the way.
Willow, up here.
Come on, Willow. Come on, up.
Yay! Willow, look.
No, you can't go up. It's for dogs only. Are you a dog?
Do I look like one?
You gotta at least act like one. That's your best dog? Oh my gosh, you were so high up there.
Yeah, that was all my furries. Stay furrylicious.
We took the path towards Doghouse Field.
Who mixed that one?
No, she's in the...
That dirty little disgusting creature. Somebody arrest her.
What are you doing, Willow? What are you doing in there? Ginger, you want to get in too?
No!
There were so many trails. This one looks pretty good.
Look at this magical land. Oh.
They're what Willow wants to be.
Right.
You got him, Ginger. Keep going. You got this. Never give up. That's it, Ginger. That's it.
section.
But it was time to see where the other trails would lead us.
But there were so many trails and fields, you could easily get lost.
You looking for me, Pineapple?
Yeah.
Why?
We got mad because you left. We wanted to go with the squad.
Oh. But there's a whole nother squad over here.
Willow loved swimming and running, while Ginger kept the peace.
Did you know that there's a better chance of you dying from a coconut falling on your head than you dying from a shark attack?
Is that true?
Yeah.
So we should stay away from her?
We headed towards the other side of the park, but not just any way, the
human Byrds way. After going down a couple of trails, we found another swimming hole.
Peace out, bro.
Oh! Alright, y'all.
Wow.
After 4 giant fields, dozens of trails, and several swimming holes, it was finally time to say goodbye.
Now we're leaving from the dog park. It was really fun.
Was it more fun for you or the dogs?
The dogs. This was
Definitely the dogs.
But it was also fun for me because I got to see a lot of doggies.
See you next time.
Sure, yeah.
See you next time, guys. Bye.